Taeyong, oh my god, it's Taeyong. Million top 10, the winner Taeyong at an Etty, congratulations. Winning million top 10 at the Melon Music Award 2024. Oh my goodness, I love Taeyong. Taeyong is so beautiful. She is so, oh my goodness, I love Ed and Eddie and I love Taeyong. Oh my goodness, Taeyong. Taeyong winner million top 10. Oh my goodness. Today I'm very very happy because Taeyong the winner million top 10. Thank you Melon Music Award. Oh my goodness. And I hope many people support Taeyong and Eddie and like subscribe my channel YouTube Shikanti TV and watching now live stream Melon Music Award 2024 on YouTube. Again, congratulations Taeyong. Oh my god, I love you so much.